This video will go over some of the components of the homepage of the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls. To begin with, we'll want to go to weather.gov/Sioux Falls, and that will bring you to a page that looks like this. And just starting from the top of the page to the bottom of the page, we'll go through a few different components that may be useful to you. To start with, at the top of the page here, if there is impactful weather going on, you'll often see a headline listed at the top, or other information about the weather across our immediate area may be listed at the top as well. On the left-hand side will be the current conditions and a short-term forecast for a location if you have specified one. If you haven't, you can add or change that location by clicking the Change Location button at the bottom left there. There's also tabs above the map here that go to specific program categories, whether it be rivers and lakes or climate, whatever you may be interested in, maybe under one of those tabs there. And then at the bottom of the page in the bottom left-hand corner is something called the weather story. And this is going to be one or multiple graphics that goes over the general threats or the weather hazards that we're expecting over the next several days, and may also give kind of a general weather overview across the region. But probably most importantly is the map in the center of the page here. That one, it lists the current weather alerts that are in effect, whether it be watches, warnings, or advisories, with the legend for those colors on the right-hand side. And this is also where you are going to go to find a more specific forecast for your area. And you can do that either by clicking on the map or entering your location in the top left-hand corner here. So for this example, let's say we are interested in the forecast for Pipestone, Minnesota. We would simply click that location on the map, and that's going to bring you to the forecast page for Pipestone, with the current conditions and also the forecast for the week ahead. A future video will go over more information that is listed on this forecast page, as well as how to find the hourly forecast information.